This is a GLK cruciform mortice lock. Here is the key, which as you can see is a cross shaped. It has bitting on 3 of the 4 segments, and there could be up to 4 or 5 pins in each of the segments or quadrants. As it happens, I know that there are only 2 pins in 3 of the quadrants, and I am going to take the core of this lock out in a moment, but in the meantime this is how it works. The key will go in only in one direction. It needs to be turned 360 degrees before it can be taken out, which means when it's being picked, it must be picked 4 times. Each of the quadrants must be picked once. So now we've seen this mortice lock, the thing that I'm interested in is the keyway here. So what I'm going to do is to take out the keyway so that we can have a closer look at that. And then, with any luck, I'm hoping to pick it. There we are. So now this lid should just come off here, like that. And what I want is this piece here, the working part of the keyway. So to get that off, I need to take out these 2 pins from the other side, these 2 screws from the other side. There's one. There's the other one. And now this piece is loose, and I can now put this into my vise and have a closer look at it and try and pick it. This is of no use to us at the moment. So now let's get this into the vise and see if we can't pick it. Okay, here I am now with the core, and if we look at this, we can see that there are 2 pins on this quadrant here. There are 2 pins underneath this piece of metal here, and there are 2 pins here, as you can see. The key will fit into there like that. And now I'll get this into my vise and try to pick it. I'll put my Z-wrench in the bottom here. This is the quadrant where there are no pins. The pins are on the right, on the left, and on the top. This will be exactly the same as picking a standard padlock, if you wish. Pins at the top, pins on the right, pins on the left. Important thing is, don't let go of the tension wrench. otherwise I have to start all over again. It's like picking 3 pin tumblers. 2 at the top, 2 on the right, and you can see the slight movement on this when the pins are picked, and I don't think there are any. There we go. Oh, is that a false set? Quite a bit of movement on this now. Another one there. Another click. And there it is. There's the open. Well, normally you'd have to pick it 3 more times to get it in a, so the key goes in and back out again. But that's enough for now. That's the first pick. A GLK lock, nicely picked.